after further review, I wanted to drop in a note about Bernoulli's and Tom the Fuzzy Cat here. Love Tomcat. Where you at, Tomcat? Where you at, buddy? There we go. See, I love the Tomcat.
Of a point, the first thing we want to do is identify the X and the Y.
So Kate is helping you with an Avengers-level threat?
He's my partner.
Let's dance, Tom.
It's kind of a stretch. I made a lot of powerful enemies. I can't go home until I fix it.
So in our case, X equals 2 X equals 0 and Y equals 2. Next thing, plot it. See where it is. Because X is 0 and Y equals 2, that puts us on the Y-axis, the positive Y-axis.
So I like to play the E4 manner. Like I said, you know, I'm looking at me. How much did they really get out of that, really? I mean,
right there at 0,
it's going to give me some high exposure to this thing being
from
3D.
There, we can always find R very nicely and pretty easily. There's never an ambiguity with R. All you got to do is take the square root of X squared.
When I really mean that, it's like I look at it sometimes from director of information technology perspective, which is an information paradox problem on energy paradox problems. Are you really saying that the T number is going to make it to A to B? Fair enough. This is why we do this math. Evel Knievel did it with that, and we do it with teaching students and how far certain class lectures as a photon will go. What its mass could do, the effect hitting.
This is how far away from the origin or the
pole
we really are.
What do they call it? Something types of matter.
It's where this is to get the right orientation.
Doesn't really interact with normal matter, but it interacts with like lensing. Like if the distance of this thing was off of the rocket ship, then obviously survival within it
really
be an issue. Knowing math can be that. And again,
so now we're going to find
if it was ever to be done in a rocket ship, you would suppose. There you go.
And you go, wait a minute, Leonard. You're giving me tangent inverse of 2 over 0. 2 over 0 is undefined. Yes, it
just
is.
It's
now think about where tangent is undefined. What angle would give you tangent of an undefined relationship? Think about it. It would be
for you, of course, it would. And it makes you pay attention to get it doing it. And I'm probably sure back in the day, before Sharps was around,
this is why I'm giving this
when we had math teachers that actually did it instead of voodoo. Look at it. All this
think about where your point is before you pick the appropriate theta, before you pick the appropriate angle. So we have a couple choices. Tangent is undefined at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2, or pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. Now, which one of those actually fits this? Well, let's see. 3 pi over 2 would be all the way right here. That's not where my point is.
When you look at 42, he's looking at you like the student in the room with Pennville was talking about the flashlight to that brother that was like moving along.
So the only appropriate choice
it's an important conversational
to
model.
have the same point with different coordinates
general problem on the screaming gorilla problem.
Remember, our angle locates where our point is. So pi over 2 says, oh yes, pi over 2 would be right here. Oh, that's where my point is.
The game comes across, it's like, how did I still slip it into the narrative just by I know you have a problem with it. Can you sum it down to one word for me? Because for me to do this already takes up time off the narrative.
2 over 0, that's tangent inverse
how is whatever you're about to
tangent
say to me, because it is. It is. And you're arguing that this model, which I'm going to show you how to write down, you definitely don't have this written down.
Any multiple of pi over 2, that would be a problem. We have to find the right one.
I'll give you, usually a stone mill guy will come in here. It's like I come in, manager, run books, block help, crew training, breaks, management raises, time fraud, work fraud over the max average,
still represented as well, but it's locating where that point is exactly.
I am you because you are A, and we are both snowflakes.
Now that we have that,
all
we got to do is put it in a point, in a polar coordinate point. So that would be R.
Oh, well, that's the problem. Oh, don't do it again. Well, what if I just decide to go against you with it, and then I bring that to the table because you like? It's just dance, monkey. I would in the mill. Because what do you think? You just stand around, you don't want to move, you don't want to work.
Where this point is in polar coordinates. If I went pi over 2, that's saying this is where I'm at, go from the pole up to or along this angle.
I didn't give you the story about the guy at the mountain face of love. You don't feel safe here at the bricks. Bounce in. It's a business thing. It's honest. There's only
okay, next one. We have a point in rectangular coordinates that's one comma negative one. The first thing we're going to do
in a marshmallow that's going to fucking melt this building down.
Make sure we understand what the X is, what the Y is. I always write it down.